As it's become a tradition on this channel, it's time for 2023 Vitality Health Insurance Review. Every year I make a video to review my health insurance and how I get a lot more out of it than health coverage. As you already know by now, Vitality works through a reward system. Basically, the healthier you are, the lower your insurance premium will be. But even better, you get to enjoy their partner rewards, and I have been lucky enough to enjoy them over the past 5 years. I have not personally made a claim yet, so this video will focus rather on the rewards and how you can get the most out of them. And reading some of the reviews on Trustpilot, there seems to be some frustration regarding medical claims, so please do your research if that's the primary purpose of getting Vitality Health Insurance. As for me, that's not the main reason. I'm in for the rewards. In fact, in my case, the rewards have more than paid off for my premiums, which is why I don't think twice before getting it. So let's jump into the reward scheme. Vitality reward scheme works on a points-based system. You have two types of points: activity points, which you get by being active, or status points, which we'll get back to later. The activity points are awarded based on the number of steps you take in a day, your gym workout with a partner gym, your exercises if you use an activity tracker like an Apple Watch. Status points, on the other hand, are obtained by doing an online review or health checks. So these include things such as dental and optical checks, medical checkups, fitness tests, etc. But wait, why are you collecting these points again? Well, with the active points, you get these rewards. So first, Caffeinero. Who doesn't like a free cup of coffee once a week, or tea, or chocolate, whatever. That's a good $5 you're saving right there. Next is Mindful Chef, which I don't currently use, but you know, if you like the convenience, you might as well grab the £10 discount and free delivery. Now, if you've been active enough, you get a free cinema ticket every month to use at Odeon or View. To grab this perk, you'll need 12 points a week, which is fairly easy. For example, if you get 7,000 steps each day for 4 days, that's your 12 points required right there. So enjoy a good movie at the cinema for only 12 points. And in case you missed a movie at the cinema, you might be able to watch it on Rakuten TV, whereby you get a weekly voucher of up to £6 to rent a movie. I really like these, and it's a regular Friday night thing now. If you're shopping with Waitrose, Vitality offers 10 to 25% off healthy foods, depending on your activity level. And if you have another eligible plan like life insurance, you can double it to 40%. Remember, that works if you already shop at Waitrose and buy healthy foods, which isn't the case for me, so I don't really enjoy this one. Vitality has also partnered with Amex to offer their credit card. Now, typically, credit cards have benefits equivalent to 0.5% and sometimes 1%. In this case, Amex offers a 1% cashback on all spend, plus potentially another 1% from Vitality. Now, for a credit card, this is pretty much a big deal. But again, you won't see that extra 1% from Vitality if you're not active. The other two active rewards, namely the Apple Watch and Amazon Prime subscription, work by you upfronting the costs and Vitality paying you back depending on how active you've been. At the highest payback rate, you get Amazon Prime and Apple Watch for free, but for the latter, there's an initial deposit of £39. Now, this may seem all good, but both of these require 160 points a month, which means you need to hit the maximum 40 points a week. This works out great if you're an active person and exercise 5 days a week at high intensity. But if you can't hit the 160 points, don't worry, you'll still get some contribution from Vitality, it just tapers down. Besides the active rewards, Vitality offers status rewards, meaning if you accumulated enough points, you would have reached one of these membership tier levels: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Now, these give you discount on the bookings. For example, with Expedia, you could get up to 20% off 4 bookings in 1 year, and with Mr. and Mrs. Smith, you could get up to 25% off. Now, moving to the health checks, if you're a member, you get a discounted health screening with Blue Crest. I used this offer and got a 50% discount on the full health check last year. Now, it's something I like to do once a year anyway, so I might as well save some money. If you're trying to lose weight or quit smoking, these partner offers may also come in handy. Now, with all the talk of being healthy and active, you'd expect Vitality to step up to support an active lifestyle. Well, they have. These are all the partners to help you stay active, from discounted activity trackers and health monitors such as Garmin, Polar, Fitbit to discounted gym memberships and sports shoes. They have you covered. Once you start stacking the benefits and discounts, they really add up. And in fact, my previous video, I already worked out that I was coming out ahead by using all these discounts and rewards than it even cost me to pay the health insurance. Now, that means I don't have to make a claim to actually benefit. And that's pretty much why I've been with Vitality for the past 5 years. Although in the spirit of transparency, last year I did enjoy a few affiliate benefits. More specifically, when people use my referral code to join Vitality, we both got a £100 Amazon voucher each. So I'd like to say thank you to them for ticking off a few items off my Amazon wishlist. For those of you who are considering joining Vitality and would like to get this reward, please use my code in the description below. Remember, we will only receive this voucher if you're still a member after 3 months. Anyway, there you have it, a 2023 review of the Vitality Health Rewards. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back to making my personal finance videos next time.